Take 73.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right.
Hold on. Go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Do we need to count to 3?
3.
Yeah.
So none of us have used a GoPro 360 camera before, so we're putting it on the Jeep Gladiator, and it's going okay.
You better not jump it.
We're gonna jump it. We're gonna jump it. We are gonna jump it. Yep, we're jumping it.
Be a cowboy.
Like that.
Unfortunately, that was all out of frame.
Off-road. All right, this is Justin Coulter with SuperSprings.
All right.
I didn't try to do it.
The way you walked into it, it was just like, all right.
Can I say hey everyone? All right. All right, all right, all right. Nailed it, done. Yes, I like it. Stickers! The wheels on it. Is that too much excitement? Cheers, Mike. You know what else is in here? Guess what? Stickers! Ooh, these are gonna look good on there. Oh, man.
You don't need a gun anymore, Justin.